10 personal finance rules school doesn't teach you. You graduate from school and the world is your oyster. But there's one thing they don't teach you in school: personal finance. From student loans to credit cards, there's a lot you need to know about managing your money. Hey everyone, you've probably heard of the phrase, live within your means. But what does that actually mean? And how can you do it? In this video, we'll go over 10 personal finance rules that the school doesn't teach you. These are simple, actionable tips that will help you get your finances in order. So whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking for ways to improve your current situation, this video is for you. 1. You don't have to be wealthy to start investing. You can start small, with just a few dollars. Investing is important because it allows you to build your money over time. Your money will just sit in a savings account and not grow. There are many different ways to invest your money. Some people invest in stocks, which can be risky, but have the potential to make a lot of money. Other people invest in mutual funds, which are safer investments but don't have the same potential for growth. Whatever way you choose to invest, the important thing is to get started. Don't wait until you have a lot of money saved up. Start small and build your investment portfolio over time. 2. You can still save money even if you're on a tight budget. Saving money is important, even if you don't have a lot of money to save. There are many ways to save money, even if you're on a tight budget. One way to save money is to cut back on unnecessary expenses. For example, you might want to eat out less often, or you might want to cancel your cable TV subscription. Another way to save money is to make sure you're getting the best deals on the things you need. Whatever way you choose to save money, the important thing is to start now. The sooner you start saving, the more money you'll have in the long run. 3. Investing in yourself is always a worthwhile endeavor. It's important to invest in yourself because the better you are, the better off you'll be. There are many ways to invest in yourself. One way is to get a good education. Another way is to develop your skills and talents. Whatever way you choose to invest in yourself, the important thing is to do it now. The sooner you start, the more benefit you'll receive. So don't wait any longer. Invest in yourself today and reap the rewards for years to come. 4. There's no such thing as saving enough for retirement. Many people think that they need to save a certain amount of money for retirement, but this just isn't true. There's no magic number that you need to save because everyone's retirement needs are different. Instead of focusing on how much money you need to save, focus on how to make your money last. One way to do this is to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets. This will help ensure that your money will last as long as you need it to. Another way to make your money last is to keep your expenses low. This doesn't mean you have to live like a pauper, but it does mean that you should be mindful of your spending. If you're not sure how much you need to save for retirement, talk to a financial advisor. They can help you create a retirement plan that's right for you. 5. You don't have to sacrifice your lifestyle in order to get ahead financially. You can still have a nice lifestyle and save money at the same time. It's all about being mindful of your spending and making wise choices with your money. Another way to save money is to make sure you're getting the best deals on the things you need. For example, you might want to comparison shop for groceries, or you might want to get a lower interest rate on your credit card. 6. Good debt can actually be helpful. There's such a thing as good debt, and it can actually be helpful. Good debt is debt that's used to finance something that will increase in value over time. For example, a mortgage is a type of good debt because a house typically goes up in value over time. Another example of good debt is a student loan because an education typically leads to better job prospects and higher earnings. Good debt can help you get ahead financially as long as you're smart about it. Use good debt to your advantage, and you'll be in good shape financially. 7. You can make your money work harder for you by automating your finances. One of the best ways to get ahead financially is to automate your finances. This means setting up automatic payments for things like your rent, your utilities, and your credit card bill. This will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid late fees. Another way to automate your finances is to set up a budget and stick to it. This will help you keep track of your spending and make sure you're not overspending. Automating your finances is a great way to stay on top of your money and make sure it's working for you. Additionally, It'll free up your time so you can focus on other things. So take the time to automate your finances today, and you'll be in good shape financially. 8. Financial education is important, but it doesn't have to be expensive. There are many ways to get financial education, and most of them don't have to cost you anything. One way to get financial education is to read books or articles on personal finance. This is a great way to learn about money without spending any money. Another way to get financial education is to take courses offered by financial institutions. You can also find financial education courses offered by nonprofit organizations. Taking a course is a great way to get financial education because you'll have the opportunity to ask questions and get feedback from an expert. Moreover, you'll be able to get a financial education without spending any money. So take advantage of the many free resources that are available to you. Get started on your financial education today, and you'll be on your way to a bright future. 9. You don't have to go it alone. There are professionals who can help you. There are many professionals who can help you with your finances. You can talk to a financial advisor who can help you create a budget, invest your money, and plan for retirement. You can also talk to a tax professional who can help you with tax planning and filing your taxes. And you can talk to a credit counseling service that can help you with debt management and credit repair. These are just some of the professionals who can help you with your finances. So don't hesitate to seek out help if you need it. There are plenty of people who are more than happy to help you get on track financially. 10. No matter where you are in your financial journey, it's never too late to start. It's never too late to start taking control of your finances. Whether you're in debt, struggling to make ends meet, or just want to save money, it's never too late to start. There are many things you can do to get your finances in order. You can start by creating a budget. Then you can work on paying down your debt. You can also save money by automating your finances. And you can get financial education to learn more about money management. Also, don't forget to seek out professional help if you need it. There are many professionals who can help you with your finances, so don't wait any longer. Start taking control of your finances today. There's no denying that personal finance is important. It's a vital part of ensuring your financial well-being. There are many different aspects to personal finance, from budgeting and saving money to investing and retirement planning. And it's important to take action now, because the sooner you start, the better off you'll be financially. But personal finance doesn't have to be difficult or overwhelming. By taking some time to educate yourself and seek out professional help when needed, you can make managing your finances a breeze. What are your thoughts on this list? Are there any tips you would add? Tell me in the comment section below. Additionally, if you're new to this channel, I strongly encourage you to subscribe and click the like button. See you in the next one.